Hey guys, it's Joey. It finally came in the mail today. I bought this not really to replace my Victorinox Classic, but it's pretty much going to take its place. It's a vintage sterling silver, kind of like a classic, you know. It's the same basic setup. Little knives, a file over here, and a little scissor. Closes the same way as the SD. Hold on a second. There you go. Yep. Sterling silver. I don't know what year it is. It just said vintage, so I couldn't tell you. Right over there it says sterling. It's a little worn out, but you can see it. It's pretty cool. It's solid. Doesn't wiggle or wobble. I'm going to have my initials engraved in it. And, yeah. I figured I would show you guys. I was talking about this the other day. I picked up a 1860 something sterling silver fruit knife for my wife, and I bought this for myself. Yep. Anyway, people, I'll catch you guys later.